everybody, I'm Gaulin from H2O Innovation, and I'm really excited to tour you today our facility in North Quebec for our spring event open house. So we will walk you through all our department. You will be able to see all new product, everything that we got in this nice 65,000 square foot facility. It is our biggest event of the year. You will have a chance to see all our product, all our new stuff. So please stay with me. We will have just a nice tour of what you're missing by not being here today. So here is our store. So when you first walk into the door, you will be welcomed here by our nice people here at customer service. And we have this little nice store that is showing the spirit of maple with a nice maple tree right there and all product that you could see. So it's the first welcoming to this facility, and now we will move forward to the next level. We do have here behind me our smart track. So this is our remote monitoring. It's well renowned for the maple industry that we read vacuum to save leaks and fix leaks. But we're also doing smart track in other industries. It could go on cranberry, it could go on cities, it could go everywhere. So now here we'll show you all our filter press, our extractor, releaser, and vacuum system. So we have all different product, all different size, starting from really the smallest producer to the biggest one here. We could see here all our nice vacuum pump. It's the Quick Series. We have it from 2 to 10 horsepower, and the Quick Series pump could come with a nice VFD system or a starter box. And it's also, we have the option here of the antifreeze. The antifreeze is a nice device that will slow down your pump when the temperature is getting lower to reduce the freezing in the forest. It's working really good. And if we move forward here, behind me we have all the assembly area for the extractor releaser, and we have pretty much the whole line. So we could see it could be from 2,000 tap to 40,000 taps. We have all kinds of extractor. And if we are coming even further, we have our nicest unit that we have right now on the market. That's called the Viper. So the Viper is the state-of-the-art extractor, all made out of stainless steel with really high efficient products. So it's the best one. So here in H2O, you will see here that we're also doing evaporator. So we have the full line of evaporators, starting from the smallest one to the biggest wood evaporator. Our biggest evaporator is 7 by 20. So all of them are made here behind me. Now you can just see that we have this as a showroom, but that's where we build those evaporators. Okay, so here we will show you our nice reverse osmosis showroom. We could start with the mini micro from leader that you already know from the last video, and we could just grow together. So we have another small unit here. Then come with the little H2O unit that we call the mini RO4, and growing 1 membrane 4-inch, we could go up to 2, we could go up to 3 membrane 4-inch, and then this is for the smallest producer. Then after that we come to our biggest producer that we call our Equinox series. The Equinox series could work from 1 8-inch membrane up to 6 8-inch membrane. So it's really a modular machine that you could just grow with time. So you add more and more membrane, and when you grow, after we go together, you could come with the biggest unit that we have available on the market right now, called the Supra. Supra could go up to 36 membrane. So that's a lot of volume, could go almost to 10,000 gallons per hour, with iBricks up to 35%. We will also show you our industrial sector. We are doing like big drinking water plants. Okay, so at the end of this nice tour, what's best than having a little beer with friends and just talk about product, talk about your experience here. So that's how we finish our tour.